So friends, in today's video I am going to tell you about all the buttons and functions of the General Inverter air conditioner remote in very detailed and in simple words, so let's start the video. You can see the power button in the remote. With this you can turn the AC on and off. The next button after that is the temperature up down button. Now the more you press the temperature down button, the temperature will go on decreasing. The more you lower the temperature, the more cooling it will do. Its lowest temperature is 18 degrees. Now the more you press the temperature up button, the temperature will increase and the AC will start cooling less. Its highest temperature is 30 degrees. If you want only cooling and also want to reduce the electricity bill, then use it at 26. This is also a very good temperature for our body. And if you feel more cooling at 26 degrees, then set the temperature of your AC to 27 degrees. And if you feel hot at 26 degrees, then set the temperature of your AC to 25 or 24. After that the next button is mode. There are 4 functions given in the mode button. On pressing the mode button, you will see the mode in the remote. Now the mode is in cool. Now the mode is in dry. Now the mode is in fan. Now the mode is in auto. Now I will tell you the details of the mode in very simple words. In cool mode all the buttons of the AC remote will work, and in this mode the AC will cool, and in cool mode the AC will cool as per your requirement. The next mode after that is dry. You can use dry in the rainy season. There is a lot of humidity in the rainy season and there is sticky heat, so using the AC in dry removes that humidity. The next mode after that is fan mode. In fan, the AC will not cool, only the fan of the indoor unit will run. Suppose there is no fan in your room and you do not want the cooling of the AC and you only want to use the fan of the AC, then you can use fan mode. After that, if you press the mode button again, the auto mode will come. In auto mode, your AC will work automatically and the AC will work according to its own. After that the next button is fan speed. This is for the speed of the fan which is blowing air from the indoor unit. It works in 5 speeds. Right now the fan speed is in auto. Right now the fan speed is in low. Right now the fan speed is in medium. Right now the fan speed is in high. Right now the fan speed is in super high. You can control the fan speed according to your requirement. If you want to cool the room quickly, then set the fan speed to super high. After that the next button is powerful. Generally, when we switch on the AC, the compressor starts in 3 minutes, but by pressing the powerful button, the compressor starts in 1 minute and the speed of the fan of the indoor unit also increases significantly. If you are coming to your room from outside and your room is very hot and you are feeling very hot in the room and you need quick cooling, then you can use the powerful button. In this the room cools down very quickly. The next button is swing. Pressing this button once will turn on the vertical swing automatically. This button is for the swing in front of the AC. It works in up and down mode. Using this swing will spread the cooling of the AC in the room quickly. This button can be used to automatically use the vertical swing flap of the AC. Pressing this button twice will turn on the horizontal swing automatically. This button is for the swing inside the AC. It works from right to left. Using this swing will spread the cooling of the AC in the room quickly. This button can be used to automatically use the horizontal swing flap of the AC. By pressing this button twice continuously, the vertical swing and horizontal swing will be automatically turned on simultaneously. The next button is set. To use the vertical swing manually, you can use the set button. With this, you can adjust the swing flap according to your requirement. The next button is the second set button. To use the horizontal swing manually, you can use the set button. With this, you can adjust the swing flap according to your requirement. The next button is economy. The eco mode in General's inverter acts is designed to use less power. This mode uses less compressor capacity, which leads to less energy consumption. Eco mode works like a central AC. When the desired temperature is reached, the AC turns off and the fan runs for 20 seconds every 10 minutes. If the temperature rises, the compressor turns on again. Inverter ACs have a variable speed compressor that changes its speed according to the cooling demand. This allows the system to run at different speeds continuously. With DC inverter technology, the temperature can be controlled accurately and energy efficiency is also ensured. The next button is energy saving. Pressing the energy saving button will enable energy saving in the AC. The energy saving feature ensures that the unit will turn off the compressor as well as the fan of the indoor unit when your space is cool so that the unit consumes less power and reduces the electricity bill. The next button is outdoor low noise. Pressing the outdoor low noise button reduces noise from the outdoor unit. During this operation, the compressor rotation speed is reduced and the outdoor unit fan rotates slowly. The setting remains even when the air conditioner is turned off. The next button is sleep. In sleep mode, the air conditioner gradually increases the temperature of the room. It increases the temperature by 0.5 to 1 degree Celsius in an hour, which can be a maximum of 3 degrees Celsius per hour. You can also set the sleep function on a timing between half an hour to 9 hours. This function keeps you cool and comfortable throughout the night. In sleep mode, the air conditioner uses less power. This function is good for sleeping at night as it keeps the room temperature low and helps you fall asleep easily. To use the sleep mode, press the sleep mode button on the remote control. If you want to cancel the sleep function, you can cancel the sleep function by pressing the cancel button. The next button is timer. Before using the timer, you should pay attention whether the present time is set in the remote or not. If the present time is set in the remote, only then you can use the timer. If the present time is not set in the remote, then you cannot use the timer. Now I will tell you how to set the present time in the remote. To set the present time in the remote, you have to press the clock adjust button with the help of a pin. After that, the time will start blinking in the remote. Now you set the present time using the select up down button. Right now it is 12:46 p.m. in my mobile. So now I will set 12:46 p.m. in the remote. After the present time is set, if you press the clock adjust button again, the present time will be set in the remote. As soon as you press the timer button, the timer off time will be displayed. Now you set the time of timer off using the up down button. In timer off, you can automatically turn off your AC according to the time. For example, suppose I want to automatically turn off my AC at 5 am, then I will set the time to 5 am. And on pressing the timer button once again, the time of timer off will be set. As soon as you press the timer button, the time of timer on will be visible. Now you set the time of timer on using the up down button. In timer on, you can automatically turn on your AC according to the time. For example, suppose I want to automatically turn on my AC at 10 pm, then I will set the time as 10 pm. And on pressing the timer button once again, the time of timer on will be set. By pressing the timer button, you can see the time of timer off and timer on. If you want to cancel the timer, then you can cancel the timer by pressing the cancel button. The next function is WLAN. By pressing this button, you can control your AC through mobile using Wi-Fi. To control OGeneral Inverter AC from mobile, you can install OGeneral AC Remote Control app. With the help of this app, you can connect your smart device as OGeneral AC Remote. With the help of this app, you can control many functions of AC. The next button is Test Run. The Test Run button is for the use of technicians. This button is used to check errors. The next button is Reset. If your remote is not working properly or the buttons are not working properly, then by pressing the reset button, your AC remote will be reset and the AC remote will start working in a completely new way. I hope you have understood the information given by me, so like my video and subscribe to the channel.